Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to claim 7-day free trial of Nintendo Online subscription on Nintendo Switch 2. To do it, first make sure that you have a payment method set. So you may need to go to Nintendo eShop, select your account you want to change it on, click on profile icon in top right corner, then settings, and now you can add payment information. Now I'm gonna go back to the home screen and select Nintendo Online, this first button on the left. Now click on the account, of course, and you'll have expansion pack option. Then you can simply I think you may need to go to membership option actually. Then select a membership option. You can see there is a free 7-day trial. So let's click on select a membership option. Then you can simply select free trial if it's available, of course, if you haven't used it yet. Now you can enable or disable automatic renewal. If you enable that, then after the 7-day period, you'll be automatically charged with the amount showed here. That will just make you have a month of the Nintendo Online subscription. I'm not gonna tick that, I'm just gonna click on next. Then click on start free trial. And now I have my free trial enabled. I can simply click on continue shopping, and I do have my online account now. The expansion pack, I have it set, right? I mean just the membership, not the expansion pack, because expansion pack actually is only the paid version, and it has some more options than just standard membership for the online without expansion pack. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.